Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can screenshot on Windows. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first action that you need to take is to click on window and bring screen together. And you can see that a screenshot is taken. And the other way you can take a screenshot is to click on window shift S and the snippet tool will be open and you can take the screenshot of a specific section. So let's take a screenshot of this section only. Okay, and then you need to click on that, and if you want to, you can edit that, and if you want to save, you simply need to click on save and you can select the desired location. So I'm going to save in screenshots. Click on save. So this is a process by which you can take screenshots on Windows. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.